and everyone. You became. You chose. I chose. Wow. Proclaim.
Lead. Place myself into service.
You know what I'm saying? That thing kind of fast, no? You lost everything and everyone. You lost everything and everyone. Became. Even you. You chose. I chose. You lost everything and everyone. Take. Proclaim.
Lead. Place myself into service.
Everything and everyone. Even you.
You chose.
Chose. Take.
Proclaim. Lead. Place myself into service.
You chose.
So that I do not become you.
Lost
Everything.
and everyone.
You became. There is no forgiving you. You chose.
Chose.
Should I say now? Should I sit? Take. Proclaim. Lead. Place myself into service. Should I? And everyone. Has to be enough inside so that I do not become you.
Lost everything
Everything.
and everyone.
Everyone. You became. There is no forgiving you.
You
You
chose.
chose. Place myself into service.
Everything
Everything.
and everyone.
Everyone. You begin. There is no forgiving you.
You chose. I chose.
Now. Should I say now? Should I sit? Take.
Take.
Proclaim. Lead.
Lead.
Place myself into service. Service. Should I? And everyone. Rest enough inside so that I do not become you. You lost everything.
And everyone.
Everyone. You begin. There is no forgiving you. You chose.
I don't like this one.
Chose.
You lost. And everyone.
Should I say now? Should I sit?
Proclaim.
Take. Proclaim. Lead. Place myself into service. Service. Should I? And everyone. Rest enough inside so that I do not become you. You
Lost.
everything.
And everyone.
Everyone. You begin. There is no forgiving you. You chose. Chose. Now. Should I say now? Should I sit? Take.
Proclaim.
Proclaim. Lead. Place myself into service. Service. Should I? And everyone. Rest enough inside so that I do not become you.
Lost.
Everything.
And everyone.
Everyone. You begin. There is no forgiving you. You chose. Chose. Now.
and everyone.
Everyone. You begin. There is no forgiving you. You chose.
Chose. Proclaim.
Lead. Place myself into service. Service. Should I? And everyone. Rest enough inside so that I do not become you.
I forgot. Freaking time. You lost. Everyone. You chose. Like, hold on. Why do we? Okay, that's interesting. So timing would have been nice. This is not the worst one I've seen. I'm not shocked because of this. This was fairly fair, I guess. That was fair. You lost everything and everyone. You lost and everyone. You chose. You lost. Whatever, so. Or we still could proceed to go down all the way to there. Our target will be here, for being real. You lost and everyone. There is no. You chose. Sweet, yeah, I'll count that as a. I'm just shooting. You know what I'm saying? I'm listen, bro. And then we have this right here. So listen, I'm just shooting, bro. No, we're not doing that, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you. We're not doing that. That's unlimited. Yeah, bro, I'm shooting, bro. Cause there's no point in not. Cause then you see opportunity. See yourself a target. Think about timing though. This is and Asia is break even at Asia. We're just gonna say friggin' take 50 off. And then Asia open. That off the screen. I think video is not. Now we can kind of see what's going on. We took out all that with speed. Now we inverse, tapping into this small reaction. But then again, could have an add-on right here and then very real. And then break even at Asia because we're not playing. And then that most likely, this is most likely gonna stop probably, depending on how strong the narrative is. What the fuck? It seems like, yeah, we're stopping that out. Why would we leave it though? Okay, now that's subjective. Okay. I mean, that's tough. It's a big rich town. Wow. Oh wait, no. The 50% was 2,000, really? Oh no, that's a buy. That was a buy we took. And then I want to see. Oh, it's whatever, really. That's tough. Tough. No, no. All jokes aside, that's tough. This is to show you that if your draw is good, motherfucker, you most likely got protected high. I ain't gonna lie to you. The draw was cool. There's only two ways we can go. We can go to this. We can either go to these two highs right here, you know, or we can just go to the draw right here, which is no point in not going to that draw. That was tough though. I don't think I do add-ons right now. I need definitely way more confidence to do add-ons. It's definitely way more management, because I feel like add-ons can overall kind of mess up things. I feel like add-on should be like, if you have not even, I ain't gonna lie, not even. If you have, let's say you're doing one lot, right? Right? Your add-on should be 0.025. That should be your add-on. Anything higher than that, you kind of mess up, whatever. If you can take a small loss, you know what I'm saying? Just to get a little bit more points, you know. It's a risk to lose a point. So this was a 4.96. This would have been that would have been an add-on to what? Hold on, I gotta do that. Let me see if I can do it on ChatGPT. Seriously. Give me a second. I'm just job not finished, so for sure. On EUR USD, if I do one lot to a, and I'm okay. If I on EUR USD, if I am in a trade on one lot size and I'm shooting for 5R and I add on to my trade, and that trade that I added on is going to be an 11R with a 0.025. How much would that 0.025 trade add on to my already existing 5R one lot trade? I try. That's my 0.025. 11R will increase your to a 5.15. Frig it, that's 15 more. That's 15 more. Oh my god. I don't give a frick. That's mine. Not gonna lie. Some people hate AI, some people love it. I mean, I'm on listen. I'm just on the bleachers watching, alright? Nah, no. That right there is tough. I mean, where else would it go, though? All jokes aside, where would it go? We have these relative, but it's like, if we trading just daily candles, my God, I mean, you gotta really think about it, you know? I said it's you in love, still in love with me. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you, I need you to be still in love. Oh, and we had these double O's. Gosh dang. Right there too. I want you. And then we had this push down. That's what I'm saying. You can't. This is what I be saying though. You cannot look at everything as manipulation. You cannot, bro. Stuff will mess. I mean, bro. Once you get that intuition, bro. And listen, once you get that intuition, and you already can really see what's a manipulation, what's not. Like, this was a clear not manipulation. This was clear high time frame narrative. Like, this is what the high time frame already wanted to do. That's why I'm like, alright, so we're going for these lows. As soon as I see that speed, I'm like, oh, we're going for these lows. The next manipulation will be under these lows, to be real. You know what I'm saying? But after this, it's not no manipulation, my guy. It's not. It's not a. I said it. It's still in love. Still in love with. And I'm like, yeah, we're kind of early in the day as well, so that could play. You know what I'm saying? We hit this in New York. And I'm like, alright. We can expand. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you, I need you to. Okay, so now we're in a new day. Expanding lower. We can look to the left and see there ain't nothing we have to off of, so that's the full target. If we being real. anything other than this, we would just be looking to seek a fixing price action. That's really it. You see how I'm talking about? We see the fixing price action, it go lower. We're not. None of this is really a draw. We should be seeking some small liquidity to continue down. I mean, it's like once you know the draw type. I'll be right back.
Lysol spray. He got to go. This
Alright, bro. High key sorry, high key sorry. I mean, I'm so. But this right here, inversion. I mean, we all know that freight wasn't gonna really hold that much. We got this. We're kind of just building a liquidity. See, like this right here. Ain't nothing. We do have. This wick we can react to. See, so that have a nice reaction off that. That's cool. Now we're kind of just doing anything. Let's see. Coming often closer to the whatever. We do have these double eyes. Okay, let's see. So now that'll be the draw actually. There's no fair value gap besides this whole wick. So there we have. I like how we're building liquidity though. Building up all this liquidity. Yeah, I like that right there. So in this case, and then now we're having to build up some more. Alright, now we're taking out some of these highs, so now we build up liquidity on the buy side, so I think it's just building liquidity to, so we don't have to take this out, but this is a nice huge right here, so that'll be nice. Let's see how we have that nice push up. Almost an inversion. Yeah, we're not expecting that. Now that's the draw. I'm over here using inversion now. That's tough. I'm over here using inversions now. That's tough. Might this be a trade worth taking? So everything right here. We just have to sort out that. Now we have Asia. I'm not really checking out. Yeah, you see how this thing is choppy? I like when I'm synced with the market though. I like it. Indecisive, indecision. And what do we start doing? Trade sideways. Indecision. Never taking out this low, never taking out that high. I'll be right back though. A chair is still a chair. Yeah, like price action really is the it really is the storyteller though. What Price does is telling you a story or what the frick. So you see how we're building up now? But notice how we still have that huge drawn liquidity on the day. Oh no, we've been set it out. Oh, right here, but so at this point, what are we reacting from? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So and the only thing is really just this hole right here. So wait until we get to that, you see how small reaction down, tapping into that. Then we had a big shoot up. That's cool. I ain't set a limit there on purpose for a reason. I'm at. So I would took out that entry. That's cool. And now we're tapping into this one. I'm tripping. We just took that out. A chair is still a chair. We could be going for these sets and highs, which I wouldn't be mad at, but this consolidation, to be honest, like the only target is down here, so see, I take another targets. Oh, we hit it. Okay. I haven't seen that. Well, I didn't really. Oh, wow. Look at this. Look at this individual price action. Right, the fake there. That'll be the seek. Oh yeah, I'm not mad at that, to be honest. So we seek that out right there, and you see that nice reaction. Came into this wick. Close right there. See how this one plays. I mean, I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at this. Let me try to tell boys is an educated guess. Educated guess. And I'm like, bro. Can you shoot, bro? That's what I'm saying. Look at them double O's we have right here. Man, oh man, oh man. I swept that. Big, whatever, big. What's happened to the. So this right here would be my entry. And then shot for down here. I mean, why? Because we just had this big sell and we bought up higher, and now You lying to me. You lying. I do respect. I do respect. You lying, bro. Did it hit it? Yeah, if it hit the fair value gap, I'm going back. I'm being honest. If it hit the fair value, cause that was my I'm being honest, that's my initial. Fair value gap reaction. Off the fair value gap. My initial one. I'm not cheating, bro. This is just how. Whatever. Any reason for break even? No. Would I want to see respect? That. I want to see respect. I want to see it respect that. So. Well, I don't want to see it to go past. Don't want to see it go past. I don't want to see it go past here. So I just break even from right there. It's driving. See these freaking double O's we just doing, like, what's going on with this thing? I'm being real, bro. Stuff ain't cheating. I ain't freaking cheat right there, bro. How'd I cheat? I ain't cheat with the fair right. Now, I feel like all this stuff, everybody's strategy is broken down. The thing is, people are paying for branches of ICT. People are taking a branch off of ICT's tree, selling that as a course, and saying they got their own thing. The whole time informing from ICT. It's funny. See, oh, we got this channel build up, this and that, and it's like, bro, you would let people talk. You see the shoes build up. As soon as it goes down, the low it creates the valid bigger structure. With valid bigger structure is the inducement low. Now, let's see. Are we still bearish? Yes, we're still bearish. So the fact that people be looking for bullish reactions is just like me. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you, I need you to be still in love with me. Are you gonna be, are you gonna be, are you gonna be, are you gonna be, are you gonna be better, better? All the pretty swept, so and it's really absolute nothing. We did just take out that, so like we could be going for these highs. We could, for sure. It doesn't have to tap into this, and this is a what? It's a freaking wick. Yeah, this is a wick. So yeah. Going to hourly and looking at this whole thing, it's like So I guess this becomes a lit point. Whatever the frick. And this becomes a nice area to look for. I mean, I'm bias wise, you can say bullish, but then again, it's like where do we react off of this? This order block. Not mad at it, but that's tough. Sweep out all that. And we have this fair value gap that's now tapped into. I mean, timing wise, I mean, stay at Glock and close it, whatever. But I don't think I want to trade anything other than whatever. So, well, that's tough. Yeah, I mean, I didn't say couldn't do it. So like, well, since it's like, I haven't hit TP. Yeah, now we hit TP. That's tough. We never sweat that out. Why sweep out all this liquidity with speed, meaning sells on deuce. Taking all the liquidity has no need to go down no more. Especially after we just hit that fair value gap. So it's like, what are we going down to? This? We could. Maybe so. No, I'm not tripping out. Oh wow, that was the whole draw. That's tough. Alright, that whole thing will be the reactional area. So we can count everything else as inducement manipulation. Alright. See how we go into that. Alright. I mean, shoot, I ain't freaking mad. I ain't freaking mad. Shoot. And now we have this. Now, the thing is about these points, you just want to look to the left and see. So, what do we have? I want to say it's completely inefficient. Because we had a lot of pullbacks into ranges, so it's like it's not completely inefficient. So now that becomes inefficient. And the first area is never really the area that goes to, depending on how strong the whatever it is. So we can look at this as early buyers and stuff. And what do we at in a day? More than 18 or 18, so you know, so we hit whatever, because how I did it just to open up a new day. New day starts going up. It's cool. I have to take out, oh yeah, that's a double high. And now we have this whole sell to buy. This thing right here. That if you look into some sort of manipulations. Boom. So now we have that. Now we have this point, and now the refinement will be here. Now, about anything else, we do have this sell to buy. Alright, so this whole thing, sell to buy, and then we have this lip point right there. I mean, just really want to kind of see how it reacts. So obviously reaction off that. Alright, to continue higher. Okay, continue higher with some speed, creating double highs. Now we take out the sell point, still inside of here. So now we can instantly take a sell. Take a sell. I mean, I'm not mad at this, if I'm being real. You will stop. Let's do stop at this. Stop at this area, and then we could target. Target for it. Now, what is this? A time? Like I'm just shooting. That's what I'm doing. Newark doesn't open until 8:30, so. Okay, we have some nice perspective of that. Sure. Okay, cool. Completely fine. To be honest, your timing wasn't even good, so. But it's, you know, it's fine, I guess. Alright, now the narrative is. The thing about dragging from like range high to range low, like if I just drag Fibonacci from here to here, I can't say 50% will be 100% gonna be a reactional point. It needs to be within context. So yeah, this area was marked on the 1 hour. That's, yeah, it's a fair value gap. And then that's where it's to sell to buy. So we could see a reaction for there. Going to day. Previous day high is here. And then we have this huge wick. Yeah, so I mean honestly, we can play it, but it's like small reactions. So we're bullish right now. I'm being real bullish until we take out that. Why am I completely bullish? I'm saying I don't want to be like a stupid reaction, but I think previous day is definitely gonna get took, especially after you hitting this. So going back to here, see all that, and then we have the previous day, huge buy. So is that an imbalance? No, it's not an imbalance. So that's kind of weird. That's just kind of, you know. I mean, I'm not trying to overthink the daily, so if nothing is really clear, nothing is really clear. So took out a draw there, had a reaction. I mean, I'm not bullish. I'm not forcing nothing, if I'm being real. Alright, green double. Alright, cool. Now we hit this for right gap. Now you can look down and automatically see, what is this? Huge inefficient price action right here. This whole thing. So now I'm bearish now. Now I'm bearish now. We can wait for another manipulation. That is our manipulation. Take out a previous candle, and then the entry will be here, and then just target. But if you're not, what do you say? But if you're not scared to miss out on the trade, you can just do 50%. But no, I mean, this one is. What is it, 1 to 2? Yeah, 2.5 is cool. Two five is always cool. 2.5 is always cool. I mean, perfect timing too. From 8 o'clock manipulation. That was fast. From 8 to 30. That was pretty fast. I mean, 8 o'clock. What? manipulate higher, right? Just to go to lower. So I mean, both would have missed out on the 50%. You got pooped on. You could have just did it from here. I don't want the 3, but 2.5 is always. It's always cool. I'm letting that be known. Now, what is... Oh, I thought we was in June. Okay. That was been an hour because I was freaking gone. Alright, now we're doing the extreme. And New York, which is, I mean, I want to say shocking. Alright, well, I don't hate it. Shoot, double lows would be the obvious target. Alright, I think I might be done. Let's just look ourselves real quick. So out of 12, out of more, it was 7 stupid ones. Nevertheless, there were shots. So, and then swam. That's actually very good. This is very good. So yeah. Drawdown, what the frick? Ain't nobody around this time. Play. 300 chains. So the worst case scenario, we going profit. Worst case scenario wasn't in profit. Are we complaining? No. I wish I had. Best case scenario, 158x almost. So. Alright, well, let's look at the whatever. Oh, this is all in the same week. 8 trades and we still ended up. Yo, that's tough. 2. No, that's mad tough though. 8 trades in a day? You know, probably that's the stuff I'd really like to see. And that's tough. Alright. That's a little quick one. We're gonna give it the train your eyes though.